Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss about cognitive and social cognitive theories. In that, let us discuss Jean Piaget theory. The Swiss cognitive theorist Jean Piaget is one of the most influential figure in the study of child development. He developed his cognitive developmental theory based on the idea that children actively construct knowledge as they explore and manipulate the world around them. Piaget was interested in the development of thinking and how it relates to development throughout the childhood. Piaget believed that as children grow and their brains develop, they move through four distinct stages that are characterized by different in thought processing. In his research, he carefully observed children and presented them with problems to solve that. Those are related to object performance, reversibility, deductive reasoning, and transitivity. Piaget, the four stages corresponds with the age the children are. There are four stages. Number one, sensory motor stage, which is 0 to 2 years. Pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. Concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. Formal operational stage, that is 11 years, and more. Let us take sensory motor stage, which is 0 to 2 years old. 0 means from womb to 2 years. The changes are: number one, coordination of senses with motor responses. Second one, sensory curiosity about the world. Number three, language used for demands and categorization or else catalog. Number four, object performance is developed. So these are the changes which observed during sensory motor stage, that is 0 to 2 years. Now let us take pre-operational stage, that is 2 years to 7 years. The changes are symbolic thinking, this is number one. Number two, use of proper syntax and grammar to express concepts. Number three, imagination and intuition are strong, but complex abstract thoughts are still difficult. Number four, conservation is developed. So these are the changes observed during pre-operational stage. Third one, concrete operational stage, that is from 7 years to 11 years. Let us see what are the changes. Number one, concrete, concepts attached to concrete situations. Number two, time, space, and quantity are understood and can be applied, but not as independent concepts. Now let us take formal operational stage, that is 11 years and more. Let us see the changes during this period. Number one, theoretical, hypothetical, and counterfactual thinking. Second one, abstract logic and reasoning. Third one, strategy and planning become possible. Fourth one, concepts learned in one context can be applied to another. Can be applied to another. Now let us take last stage. That is very important. Concept learned in one context can be applied to another. This is the fourth point in the fourth stage, that is the formal operational stage. So concept which are learned in one context can be applied in another situations. One example I would like to give. Suppose you take the child into the school garden premises and exhibit an experiment by pouring a drop of water on a leaf, and as the dropper fell down, oftenly there is a mark in the soil. This is what the soil erosion concept. It can be applied in large to another situation. Like this, the concepts are learned among this stage. Hope you have got the information, and do well. Be at home and let us fight against COVID